Curry rub whole chicken marinade is finally here. I'm a little bit under the weather, but here we are. 3.5 pounds of the chicken. We'll make the perfect marinade, which we can bake or which we can air fry this. It's going to take around 35 to 40 minutes. We will marinate this, cook this chicken right away in our beautiful air fry. It's skinless. You can use chicken with the skin. Deep cuts on the chicken. Oops, now the legs. That's what it is, and inner legs as well. This is organic chicken though. All the cuts are done. We'll put this in our marination bowl. If you have a curry powder for this recipe, you can use this dry powder. Or if you don't have it, I'll give you simple ingredients to make this whole powder. This is approximately 5 to 6 seasonings in one. So these are 5 to 6 ingredients which are all in here. So it has ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and cumin powder. Let's start with the ginger powder. You will take 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, goes in here. We'll take chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, half tablespoon. This is the curry marinade, and 1 tablespoon of the black pepper powder. We will take coriander, 1 tablespoon. Now let me give you the liquid marinade. It's not just putting dry ingredients on top and call it a curry rub whole chicken. We have to get the onion, we have to get the tomato, the garlic, and the yogurt. Grab a blender juicer, small yellow onion, and add it right here. Of the fresh tomato, making it small so it gets easy for the blender juicer. Fresh cloves of garlic, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Lemon, yogurt, it's going in the blender juicer, at least 2 tablespoons. Just for the cake, you know. It's gonna be curry-licious. Curry rub whole chicken. 1 tablespoon. We'll take salt, tablespoon of salt. Okay, we had the lemon, remember? Take half of it. With the skin, add it right here. 10 tablespoons of canola oil. It goes in here. Let's blend this. All the marinade, and it goes right on top. I got the bigger marinade bowl. I'll transfer this whole chicken in here. Definitely use gloves for this recipe because the curry smell gonna stick into your fingers for at least 2 days. So if you don't want that, use gloves. The rest of it right here. Now just massage this. Curry rub whole chicken. Make sure you get into deep cuts of the chicken so all the flavor gets in there. So this is the whole chicken marinade. This is the whole curry rub chicken with delicious marinade. It's completely ready. We will turn on our air fryer. Here you go. And it's going to be onto air crisp. The temperature will be 350 and the time will be 35 minutes. 350, 35 minutes. It's on the pre. Until then, our chicken will be resting in this delicious marinade, and I'll see you then. Air fryer is ready. Okay, look at this beauty. It looks fantastic. Let's add this whole chicken right here. It sits so nicely in here. Clean the air fryer. Just make sure it's all looking good and clean. And look at here. We have 35 minutes, right? So after 20 minutes, when there's 15 minutes left, we will do a sneak peek. We will do a temperature check. I'll see you after 20 minutes now. 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Here is our delicious curry rub whole chicken. I'm doing the temperature check. deep into the breast. If it reaches 165, your chicken is ready. As you can see, it's not even going there yet. It's cold from the inside. It has the char on the top. Let's close this and give me another 10 more minutes. 5 minutes at 350 degrees in our air fryer. Our delicious curry rub chicken is done right here. It says end, and here it is. The internal temperature is above 165, so all poultry, chicken especially, the bird should be above 165. The breast is okay. This is the leg, whole chicken leg, and it says more than 165. I have made some delicious white rice with green peas in there. Easy. 2 cups of basmati white rice, oil, and here it goes. Let's add this right next to it. Let's take these out. Press the rice from the top. It has the perfect char you are looking, curry rub whole chicken, and of course it's completely ready. We have done the temperature check. This is the moment of truth. Let's do a taste test. Roasted curry flavor on top of the rice. This is the first bite. Oh my goodness. Wow. As I said, you can make this recipe in your oven as well. Same temperature, might be 45 minutes for the oven. Look at this. Chicken leg. Here is the hungry bite. Soul soothing food.